the storm.
Hello YouTube, this is Biker Buddy and I welcome you all to my channel. First of all, I thank all my subscribers as we have already hit the 100 subscribers mark. I thank you all for supporting me, and let's come to today's topic. Today I am here at Autobahn. It is an expo or a group of events organized by a engineering college here in Trivandrum known as CET Engineering College. So they are actually hosting many programs, one of which is bullet modifications, and here they are showcasing the modified bullets of RE Mods, a well-known modification company here in Trivandrum. So this bike right here, which I am showcasing now, is my personal favorite as it looks like a Bonneville. Every bike here looks unique, so I'll be featuring the exhaust note. Actually every bike here, it spits flame, throws flame, so watch out for this and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Ride hard, ride safe.
Riders on the storm.